MetLife or New York Life, two titans in the insurance world, but when it comes down to protecting your future, which one really delivers? On one side, we have the trusted and established MetLife. On the other, the enduring strength of New York Life. Let's skip past the sales pitches and bold promises and dig into what truly matters. Each category gets its score, and by the end, you'll know exactly which insurer stands out. The answer might surprise you. Okay, quick rundown here, how we're going to compare them. First, we'll look at financial strength, basically how rock solid these companies are. Then, product range, so what they actually offer. After that, customer satisfaction, cause good or bad vibes matter, right? We'll talk policy options, who's got more flexibility there. And finally, reputation and history. It's like a map for our insurance adventure. Kicking things off with financial strength. First up, MetLife. Honestly, they're massive, global player, tons of assets, and having that big corporate backing is kinda reassuring. But let's be real, sometimes being a public company means focusing more on shareholders than you, the customer. Now New York Life, here, where things get impressive. They consistently score those top AAA ratings, and since they're a mutual company, policyholders come first. The flip, their investments can be super conservative, maybe a bit too safe at times. If we're picking a winner for pure stability, gotta give this one to New York Life. Next, product range. MetLife first. You want options? Oh, you get options. Life, dental, disability, auto, even pet insurance. Seriously, they've got almost everything. Plus, they're huge for workplace benefits. But I will say, if you want an individual life policy that's super competitive, MetLife's not always at the top. Moving over to New York Life. They absolutely nail permanent and term life products. Their annuities game is strong, but if you're looking for, say, auto or pet insurance, not happening here. They focus almost entirely on life and annuities. When it comes to sheer variety, MetLife definitely takes this round. Now, customer satisfaction. Okay, so MetLife, being huge means they have nationwide support, which is awesome, but reviews are kind of a mixed bag, like their JD Power ratings are a bit meh. New York Life, though. People love their claims service, and you get more of that homey, personalized relationship with their agents. The only thing, if you're all about digital everything, New York Life isn't totally there yet. Still, the overall experience. New York Life wins for keeping their customers happy. Oh, and here's something cool if you're into fun facts. Did you know? New York Life has paid dividends to policyholders every year since 1854. That's a crazy long streak, seriously impressive. Let's talk policy options. MetLife keeps things flexible, especially for group plans and underwriting, but the riders, basically the add-ons, can get confusing. New York Life. They bring a ton of robust permanent life choices like whole, universal, even variable life. Oh, and loads of living benefits you can tack on. It does mean some of their plans cost more, but the choices, pretty amazing. Winner here is definitely New York Life. And finally, reputation and history. MetLife's been around for over 150 years, and they're a Fortune 500 company, so globally recognized it's wild. The only thing, their roots aren't as deep in life insurance tradition as some might like. Now, New York Life, founded back in 1845, it's the oldest life insurer in the US. And their whole brand was literally built around life insurance. They're not as known worldwide, but if you want pure legacy, yeah, New York Life wins here too. If you took all those categories and dropped them on a radar chart, you'd see New York Life just edges MetLife in a bunch of the key areas, especially if you're big on life insurance itself. But MetLife's range is kinda unbeatable if you're after lots of coverage types. So here's my honest take. If you're a workplace benefits person or you want loads of coverage options bundled up, MetLife's your go-to. But if you want that old-school reliability, top-tier life insurance, and a company that's basically built for policyholders, New York Life is the clear winner. If you found this helpful, stick around and don't miss our next deep insurance breakdown. There's always more to learn, and you never know what could make the difference for you.